Welcome to this presentation of blending calculator made by Après-You, where I will present you the basic version of this calculator, and in order to make it clear and simple to follow, I will imagine that I would like to blend 3 oils together: lavender, true lavender, orange and geranium. So my first thing to do is to choose true lavender in the list. So here it is. Once I have selected true lavender, I have this graph with 100% of the true lavender, of course, because I have chosen only one oil, which is not a blend, by the way. But anyway, then I said that I would like to blend it with orange. And as you can see now, I have orange in the graph. And if I want to do a blend of these two oils, I will have to put as much as true lavender as orange. And why? It's simple, because the power of these two oils, when you speak about the perfume, is equal. It means that if you blend the same volume of these two oils together, you will get something balanced. But now, if I want to add the geranium, like I wanted to do, here it is, you will see that you still have to put the same volume of the two oils, true lavender and orange, but you have to add a little bit less of geranium. Why that? Because geranium is stronger, olfactively speaking, compared to the two other oils. So it means you need to add a little bit less of geranium in order to balance your blend and to make it well balanced between the three oils. So that's really the idea of this simple calculator, is to give you a quick view of the proportion of each oil that you can add in your blend. Now, if you are looking for something a little bit more evaluated, like you want to blend 5 oils and you want to have access with more oils, you can subscribe to the VIP group, which stands for Very Essential People. It's on the website Après-You.com, and it's free. You will get some information of what's going on at Après-You. You will get some discounts on things, and you will get access to different calculators, and one of them is the blending calculator, but the VIP version, and it's, as I said, with 5 oils that you can simulate to blend together, and the list is up to 27 oils, so it's a little bit more evaluated. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an essential blend.